Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how Digit protects your financial data. Are you wondering how secure your money and information is with Digit? Well, here's a quick breakdown of exactly how Digit protects your financial data. First step, bank level security. Digit uses 256-bit encryption, the same standard used by major banks. That means that your data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Step 2, read-only access. When you link your bank, Digit gets read-only access. It can analyze your spendings and balance, but cannot make unauthorized withdrawals or changes to your account. Step 3, FDIC insured savings. Money saved with Digit is held in the FDIC insured account, which of course goes up to $250,000 per user. Step 4, secure authentication. Digit supports two-factor authentication, which makes it much harder for anyone to access your account, even if they have your password. Step 5, regular security audits. Digit systems are regularly audited by third-party security experts to identify and fix vulnerabilities. A bonus tip, always use a strong, unique password and also enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Your trust matters, so Digit is built to keep your money safe. All of these measures were in place just to give you, much better assurance. So you don't got to worry with Digit. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. For more Digit tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. See you in the next one.